Hey VegNews fam, I'm food editor Eddie Garza. During the holidays, I am a sucker for butternut squash. But for a lot of people who are new to the kitchen, this can be daunting to work with because of the thick skin. Well, I'm going to show you today how to make the perfect squash for all of your needs, from pies to savory fillings. Let's make this happen. For this very simple technique, we're going to take a pan and we're going to put the butternut squash right into the pan. 400 degrees in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Let's go. Perfect. Now we're going to let this rest for 10 minutes. All right, now that our squash is rested for 10 minutes, now the slicing will be much easier. This skin now is going to be super easy to slice through. Oh, perfect. Now we'll simply scoop out the skin. We'll take out the seeds first. And we'll scoop out the skin right into a bowl. And there it is, folks. It's that simple. Now this squash is ready to use right now for a delicious bisque, or you can save it in the fridge for up to 7 days or in the freezer for up to 6 months. Want more cooking tips? Stay here with VegNews.